Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a cinematic title card. Today we will make your video titles looks like movie intros, create a new canvas and then add black gradient background with fog textures. Now write your title in a bold serif font and also apply bevel and emboss and slight glow. Add particles or dust textures around it. Then use color lookup, select film contrast and adjust curves for drama. Now place lens flare behind the text for light depth and the final result feels straight out of a film.